Hi there, YouTube. Two things before we start. One, I would like to thank Toner Plastics. I won a giveaway and got these three really nice spools of filament. I'll have a link in the description for their website. Really, the only reason that I went with something this big is because I got this filament. Otherwise, I wouldn't have really wasted my time on it. Thing number two is, yeah, I realized it's the wrong colors. White and blue are not really metal colors, or rubber in this case. So, let's just leave that one out and get on with the rest of this awesome video. I totally spaced, just like now. Oh, right. I'm going to be assembling this in full in this video. If you don't want to watch the whole assembly and whatever music I pair with it, go ahead and click the cylinder, and I'll try to have that timestamp to right about when I start showing off the prop. Waiting. Still looking, waiting, imaginary watch. Alright, since you haven't clicked it, enjoy this time lapse. So, what we have here is a gun completely of my own design, based loosely on like a Raging Bull, kinda. It has a working trigger, meaning you can position it, and there actually is a space for a little spring so that this trigger will come back by itself. A working hammer that really does nothing except when it's cocked. You can't pull the slide out, so you actually have to There we have the cylinder. As you can see, it's much too heavy for how I have it designed. I will be fixing that. It is 8 shots of 50 caliber Imagination round. Has a moon clip set in it with only one actual bullet round. Well, not actual, it's a fake round, but all of your rounds stick together. Then you slide them in, align it, click it, shut the cylinder when it wants to, and then you just close the slide and it's locked. I'm going to have in revision tool, have a few different handle pieces. Right now they're just flat because I just wanted to make them so that I could make sure that everything actually fit together and would hold the handle on. Yeah, other than that, I guess all I can say is that real fun to make. Has no value whatsoever. Probably shouldn't point it at any police officers. Really? I mean, that's pretty fucking simple. I might actually permanently glue everything that's permanent together and sand it all down and paint it to be the correct colors. Kind of want to do like a red grip, and then it would kind of make it try to look anodized for all the pieces that are blue right now, and then maybe do like an anodized white or silver for everything that's white. I think that might look pretty cool. I'll decide that later. That's not a foregone conclusion, but I'd like to think that I have some sort of handle on what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my projects. Other than that, I hope you liked it. The files to 3D print this horrifying thing will be in the description, and it'll be hosted on Thingiverse, probably under props so that it doesn't get taken down. Back to you, Kent. Once again, I'd like to thank Toner Plastics for providing me with their white, navy blue, I believe, and forest green. I'm going to be, maybe my next project, to be using this forest green along with some kind of neon yellow that I have, and I'll probably do like a Packers-themed 3D print. As you can tell, I'm a Packers fan. Real happy we won today, even though we almost didn't. Like this video if you liked it. Dislike it if you disliked it. Share it with your friends. Share it if you think it'll piss off some people. Share it if you think that... share it if you want to like bash me in it, I guess. We could do that. That'd be fun. And other than that, have a nice day. Peace.